Hi, it's Beth Snyder, www.processprodigy.com, and I'm coming to you from the Waterfalls in Guatemala. And if you think about it, if you think about process and action here, here's water that started in one capacity and is now melted and is turned into this raging waterfall. And all the momentum just keeps the water pushing and flowing downstream. So think about it. A good process in your own business, a good system, will start the action and the movement, and then it will just move on its own and go even faster than you ever thought it could be. Look at the power. Your systems, your processes, your business can have that same power.